Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you a little yarn haul. So I have been purchasing yarns recently for the new season. So the autumn winter season, and I wanted to share those yarns with you. So without further ado, I'm just going to share these yarns and let me know in the comments which are your favorite yarns, which yarns you would like to see me use for my future tutorials. I do love to know which are your favorite yarns for the autumn and winter. And I did buy all of this yarn from the Knitting Network. This is not sponsored, it's just, I really like that website, and I think it's an English website, but it's called the Knitting Network, and it's really, really good. There are lots of really good yarns at amazing prices, so I definitely recommend that store, and I'm pretty sure that they deliver internationally, so let me know in the comments if you've ever used that website. So I did buy this yarn, which is Lion Brand Yarns Homespun. I did buy this yarn, so I love this yarn. I haven't used it in a while. I don't know why, because I do love this yarn. So this is a bulky weight yarn, a category 5 yarn. It's 98% acrylic and 2% other fiber, which is a bit mysterious. I don't know what that means, other fiber, but I did purchase this in this shade, Deco, and it's a really lovely yarn, and I did buy 4 skeins in total, so I'm hoping to make a press shawl with this. So I'm very excited about this. I am looking forward to making a press shawl with this. I did purchase this yarn called Respect by, again, Lion Brand Yarns. And this is a sustainable yarn. So this was the first time I'd seen this yarn. It's recycled polyester blend. I've not used it yet. It's a light 3 DK weight yarn, and it's 45% recycled polyester, 30% acrylic, and 25% cotton. And I love the feel of this. It feels really nice. And I was really intrigued when I saw this online. I wanted to buy more, but they only had 2 balls of yarn left on the website, so I got the 2 final skeins of yarn on the website. I need to check and see if they've restocked or not, but let me know in the comments if you've ever used this yarn. And let me know what you think I should make with this. I don't know yet what I'm going to make with it. I love the colour. Which colour did I buy? It's called Messer. And it's a really lovely kind of taupe yarn. And it's really, really pretty. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of like a blend of pinks and browns, and it's really lovely. So let me know in the comments what you think I should make with this. And then I bought this yarn, which I was so excited about. So I got 5 balls in the turquoise shade, and then I got 2 in the in like a lilac-y kind of shade, and they're actually a lot bigger than I thought that they would be. And actually all the yarn that I ordered was a lot bigger than I expected, if that makes sense. I'm so often used to smaller skeins of yarn that I was really surprised at the size of all the balls of yarns that I got. So I don't know if you can find this in the US or Canada, let me know. Like I said, this is from the Knitting Network, and I know that they retail this brand. And I quite like this brand. It's called Papatia. I think that's what you would, how you would pronounce it. And I had been looking for this type of yarn for a long time. And it's called Papatia Angora with merino wool, and it's written premium quality yarn, merino wool blend. And like I said, this is a turquoise color. It's 80% acrylic, 20% merino wool, and the yardage is quite big. It's 601 yards per skein of yarn. And I did purchase, like I say, the green one. I mean, it's kind of like a turquoise kind of shade. So it's a lovely yarn, and it's written that it's a fine category 2 yarn, which I'm assuming is a sports fingering type of yarn. So that's what the category is. Just feeling it, it does feel light. I would have thought that it was a light 3 yarn, but actually, yes, looking at it closer, it does look a bit finer. But I do love it, and I'm looking forward to making a sweater with this for this winter. Like I said, I had been looking for this type of yarn for a long time, and yes, I'm very excited to bring this to you. And so let me know if you know of any of these types of yarns in the US or Canada. The reason I'm asking this is a lot of my audience is from the US or Canada. So I would always want to make my audience happy and just use yarns that you would find easily. I hope I'm making sense. So let me know in the comments if this is a type of yarn that you can find in the US. I know that in Europe, so I live in England, this type of yarn was really hard to come by. This type of Angora merino wool blend, fine, delicate yarn. I've not seen that type of yarn ever. And I had been looking for this for a long time, so I was really happy when I saw this yarn on the website. I've never seen this yarn in shops, for instance, so I was very excited to see this yarn. So I did purchase two of the lilac color. Reason being, I'm going to be crocheting a shawl with this. So this is going to be a shawl, and this is going to be a sweater. I have a feeling I'll have more yarn left after using. I didn't think the skeins of yarn would be as generous. So I think I'll have plenty of yarn left after I've crocheted the sweater. So this is what I have from that order, and I'm also working at the moment, just for a little update, with this yarn, which is one of my favorite yarns, and this is Yarnspirations Caron Latte Cake. And I love this yarn. As you know, I've crocheted quite a few projects with this yarn, and this is shade Plum Fresh. And it's a bulky 5 yarn. It's 58% acrylic, 42% nylon, and it's a 530 yard skein of yarn, and it's by Caron. And I just love this yarn. It's so soft. It's so lovely to work with. And I am working on a hexagon sweater. with this yarn. I know this looks very wintry for the summer, but I am already planning my winter projects, well, autumn, winter. So let me know if you're ready for the winter, for the autumn and winter, let me know. And let me know what you think of those yarns and which are the yarns you favor and that you would like to see me use. And I hope you enjoyed this little update. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And I will be bringing you more of these fun little videos. My little boy is going to go back to school very soon. He's only got 1 week of the summer holidays left and then it's back to school here in the UK. So once he's back at school, it will be easier for me to get back to my normal schedule and to work in a more efficient manner. So yes, at the moment I'm enjoying him being off school and doing little fun things together. But soon I will be back to my regular schedule. So let me know in the comments what video you would like me to film. And in the meantime, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye!